I'm Pat Iyer, and I'm pleased to bring you Barbara Levin, who is a legal nurse consultant involved in helping to plan a conference that's taking place in March 2023. Barbara, as an expert witness or as a behind the scenes consultant, have you encountered situations where you opened up a file of medical records and realized that key pieces were missing?
Yes, that has occurred at times. And the important thing is, as the legal nurse consultant, we have to identify what is missing with the medical records. So I'm going to give you an example. A 30-year-old had a cholecystectomy. The pre-op hematocrit was 42 and post-op was 34. The individual was in the hospital for 4 days, and then there was a code. Within those 47 pages of medical records, think about this, 4 days and only 47 pages of medical records. There was a lot of information that was missing. Those included nursing progress notes, physician notes, lab values, code notes. So it's our job as the legal nurse consultant, whether we're in the consultant role or as the expert, that we have to bring this information forth to the attorney and let him know that these items are missing. In order to render an opinion, in order to assist an attorney, you need to have all the facts.
You make me think, Barbara, of a case I worked on involving a man who went into an emergency department. He had a seizure disorder and he had fallen, and they had done an MRI of his head and then left him on a stretcher. He needed to urinate. Nobody came. So he decided to climb off the stretcher, and he fell forward and he hit his head again. And they did a second MRI, which showed a brain bleed. When my client, who is the plaintiff attorney, received the medical records, there were no emergency department records whatsoever. And the defense attorney insisted to the judge, oh, there were no nurse's notes kept in the emergency department. I filled out an affidavit for my client, and I wrote, it's way below the standard of care and impossible. I didn't say it quite this way, that this guy could be in the ER for 12 hours without any nurse's notes. There have to be nurse's notes. In my professional experience reviewing emergency department records, I know that documentation of nursing care is part of the standard of care. When I completed my affidavit, my client went back to the judge. The judge said to the defense attorney, produce those records. Lo and behold, those records were found. And they validated the plaintiff attorney's position on the case and resulted in the case getting settled soon thereafter. So missing records can be critical in your analysis, and you as the legal nurse consultant knows what should be there. For the attorney, it's just a file, or the paralegal, it's just a file. They may not spot those missing pieces the way that you would.
We would like to invite all of you to our 7th virtual Legal Nurse Success Conference. And this will be held March 23, 24, 25, 2023. This topic, as well as many other topics, will be shared in more depth with you at this conference. And Pat is going to talk a little bit more about our conference and the opportunities that you will receive.
This is a chance to network with your colleagues. Sometimes it's lonely to be a legal nurse consultant and not have anyone that you can speak with. You receive rapport, you receive support, encouragement, networking opportunities, education in a comfortable environment where your only investment is the price of admission. Your investment gives you the opportunity to participate in the conference. You don't have other expenses, no airfare, no parking, no hotel, no food bills, no childcare, no pet care. It's you in your comfortable environment in your home. Our speakers are nationally recognized. We have a variety of experienced legal nurse consultants, attorneys, business experts who will help you with tips that will expand your business. Many of us are looking for more work, and the opportunities of getting more work come through education and the knowledge that you get when you network with other people. This conference is March 23, 24, and 25, 2023. And the link for this is right below this video, lnc.tips/March 2023 virtual. The dates of that are March 23, 24, and 25 in the year 2023. And the link is lnc.tips/March 2023 virtual. We'd love to see you make that investment in yourself and your business by joining us for our 3-day event.
We look forward to seeing you.